Hey folks, I'm here with Lori Stone and we're at Mitchell's Nursery located in King, North Carolina, and Lori's helped me out with the purchase here. As you can see, we are in the Poinsettia house, and these guys sell poinsettias like hotcakes going out of style when the season rolls around. It is amazing. I was talking to the owner yesterday, and he says they're about the only local, and I mean, local business, not a huge monopoly type business, that is still selling poinsettias in mass like this. And they sell hundreds, sometimes more than hundreds, to churches and people that want to buy them in big lots. So a lot of these have been sold out. This is about December 20th currently. And Lori's been here, helped me out. We picked out some really nice ones. She was going to explain to me about how to care for these guys once you bring them home. You've had Christmas and all. So how do we care for these, Lori?
Well, you want to feel the weight of the pot. If it's light, one this size, you might want to just give it a cup of water. Let it drain, and then just pour the water out of the wrapper. Don't let it stand.
Okay.
So it needs to have natural light window. They're tropical plants. So
should we give them warm water when we put it in there, or does it matter?
Just tap water.
Okay.
We use water hoses here, so it's just regular water out of the spigot. Natural light, they don't like it below 50 degrees.
Okay.
So they don't like a real drafty area either. So
okay.
Other than that, that's pretty much it.
Well, so how long does a typical poinsettia stay like it is here?
Pretty much as long as you're taking care of it properly. I mean, they'll last on up into April. I mean, most people will keep them a long time.
What can you do when they start to fade out? Is there any way to rescue them and bring them into the next Christmas season?
Yeah, actually you can. Just keep the leaves cleaned off. If they start to drop their leaves and stuff, most of the time you'll see new leaves come back out. To rebloom one, usually around October, they need at least 12 to 14 hours of undisturbed darkness. And then after that 12 to 14 hours of undisturbed darkness, bring them out into the light for about that same amount of time, and then they'll start to turn color again. That's when their color starts to show the best. And they need that for about 30 days.
About 30 days, and of course the temperature has to be
acclimated
constant.
They don't like it below 50 degrees, and they like it up somewhere around 70 to 80. They do very well.
Can you bring them outside in the spring when it's warmed up?
Yeah, if it's not going to drop below that 50-degree mark, they'll do well.
Okay. Well, you have a beautiful place here. You must really enjoy working amidst all this color.
I do.
And how long have you been at this?
A little over 5 years. I'm going into my 6th year.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much for inviting us into your beautiful home here.
Thank you.
And we'll be in touch. Thank you so much for GardensAll.com. We're all about how to care for poinsettias, and can we keep them after they have bloomed. Thank you again. See you later. Bye-bye.
Thank you.